Hey guys, it's Sophie and welcome to Flavor of Culture. Before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and ask you to subscribe. Welcome. Today's dish is going to be Maafe. Maafe is basically like a peanut stew, one of the classic dishes as mentioned before, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So as you can see, you got the thick like consistency in the sauce. that definitely tells you that the food is ready. And also when you start to see like the red oil forming at the top, you are definitely ready for serving. Another thing that I wanted to mention too that I didn't include in this recipe was okra. You are more than welcome to add in okra. I know there are some people, it's like 50-50 with the people that I know. Some people do like it, some people don't. So it's totally optional. You can use chopped okra, like the frozen ones, or you can use fresh ones where you cut it up and you boil it up, and then you can either cook it with the maafe, or you can wait until the end and just like serve it on the side. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe once again. Subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at Flavour of Culture. And I'll see you guys next time.